Hello, welcome to the Trading Success Show. Today we will be analyzing technical setup for stocks that I will be watching for the coming week. So we're just gonna be going through different stocks and what setup I will be looking for and what the chart looks like for potential to the upside or to the downside. You're welcome. Okay, if this is your first time, go ahead and subscribe and click on the like button. Kindly email me at tradingsuccessshow@gmail.com for any concerns or questions. You can also follow me on Twitter at FRONKTSS. Alright, so this is not a recommendation to buy or sell. It's just for entertainment purposes only. Do not trade anything you see here in this channel. Because why? Trading involves risk. You may lose all your money. Consult with a professional financial advisor before making any financial decisions. In general, investing is risky. Very risky. But you can as well make money or lose money, right? So let's get to it. Okay, I have several stocks that I'll be chatting, looking for potential for the upside. So just go with me on this one. Whichever one I like, I will say it, and we'll go from there. First stock that I will be looking at is CYCC. The reason is because it is above the 200. Okay, let's look at this in another sense. Exponential, we have 20. We also have exponential 50 and SMA 200. That's what I look at in terms of the indicators that I'm looking at. Okay, so we have these. Okay, so now I look at the 200. I want the stock to be above the 200 moving average. Okay, I don't necessarily care about 20 or 50. However, I do like the fact that the stock need to be basing on the 20 EMA for continuation higher. It means the stock is still bullish to continue higher. If the stock fails the 20 EMA, it will pull back down. Okay, and try to retest the 50. Okay, if we cannot hold the 50, it will try to come down to test the 200. Okay, so the first one is CYCC. The reason why I like CYCC is because if you look at the news on it, CYCC price $12.65 million dollars of offering, okay, at $7 per share. So right now the stock itself is still trading above $7 per share, which means it's still good. Normally, if they price a stock at that amount or at that price, the stock tends to pull back down or 50 cents below. My criteria, if an offering occurs on any stock, I expect it to go $50 lower or $1 lower than where it is priced at. Okay, so then I can get in if I still like the stock, and if and only if it's above the 200 moving average. Okay, so right now what I see here in this stock, we need to break out of this level. This is our resistance spot right here. Okay, we need to break out of this level, which is the $8 area. So if we can break above the $8, we should be okay, and because our next resistance is just gonna be right around here, $9.50. Okay, that's gonna be our next resistance on this. Overall, I like this stock for a swing. Okay, for a swing trade, I do like it because there was a price target on the name as well on this particular stock. Okay, so CYCC is also a good one to watch. Okay, let's see here. Let's see what they say. Okay. Propose an offering. All right. Okay, so that's it. That's for CYCC. The next one I will be looking for here is ACST. ACST is another one. Okay, we actually pull back to the 200 and then we bounce off the 200. Now we are actually bouncing around the 20 and the 50. If we can cross this 73 cents area, we should be good to go higher, because if you notice, our resistance is right around 80 cents. If we can break the 20, which is actually trying to cross right now, we should be good. Our next resistance is at 80. So I do like ACST. Next one is gonna be NEOS. NEOS. This one is good. Right now we just broke this area. Okay, we just broke that area, and we need to make sure we hold this support right here around 89 cents, 90 cents, and then we should be able to, our immediate resistance is around 103. That's gonna be our immediate resistance on this stock. Okay, on this stock, that's gonna be our immediate resistance. All right, for NEOS. Okay, $1. Our support to the downside is gonna be right around 85, 86, 85. That's gonna be our support. Okay, on this one. Next one is gonna be BIOL. It's above the 200, which is good. And right now we're just working our way through the resistance to, begin an uptrend. Okay, this one I do like, because we also have our trend here. The trend is breaking. Okay, the trend is breaking right here. So we need to get through this level. Okay, BIOL. Next one is CTRM. CTRM, I like the fact that this stock right here, we look at this. This was like a shakeout. Okay, so this stock at this point, we are breaking the trend. Okay, to the upside. Okay, to the upside. We just need a situation where we can break out of this resistance. This is a resistance right there. Yeah, right here. This is our resistance. Okay, this is our resistance. Let me go ahead and take a screenshot of this, because I really like the way it's setting up. Okay, this is CTRM. Okay, next one is going to be ROIBT. ROIBT. This is a very low float stock. Okay, we are breaking out. So same criteria. We have our resistance around here, right here. So we need to break that level, and we should be good to go to the upside. Okay, our resistance is 110, and that I also like. Okay, I also like that. IRBT. Next one is going to be NBY. NBY. Also, we are trying to get out of the 20 and the 50 area. So this is the 20 and the 50 area. We're trying to get out of that level. Our immediate resistance is right there. So if we can get through that area, we should be good to go. Okay, I like the MACD. MACD over here is coiling up. Okay, volume is coming in, and guess what? We are 52% of RSI. Okay, on this NBY. Okay, it's gonna be a swing for me. Okay, it's gonna be a swing for me, NBY. Okay, let's look at the next one. The next one is going to be TBLT. TBLT, I am holding my position. I still have my position around the $1 area. So I'm still holding my position right there. That was the break. I didn't get in right on time, so that was the break. So right there. Okay, so we need to get through the resistance. We have a resistance around here, and then we should be able to push higher. Overall, I like the fact that we broke downtrend, and now this is going to be our resistance. The 120 is going to be our resistance area. I like TBLT. Overall, MACD is coiling up, and we also have, we have MACD. Volume is not in yet, but it's been buying all through. RSI is good as well, so TBLT, I do like it. Next on the list is going to be our AEZS. Okay, same technical setup. On this one, we are above the 200, of course, and right here we need to break through this area. If we can break this area, we should be good. And on the downside, this is going to be our support area. We have the support at 105 and then $1. That's going to be our support. Okay, on this name. The name, I like it for a swing. I do like it for a swing. So we are just trying to get through with the ROS, the EMA 20. Okay, the EMA 20 AEZS. Okay, next one is going to be SEAC. Same pattern. Right now we're just fighting through this area right now, which is our 200. We're trying to get above the 200, which makes it solid for a swing for me. Okay, so I like the fact that we're trying to get through to this area. Our immediate resistance is just gonna be right there around the right around here. That's gonna be our immediate resistance, which is 125 area. So once we can get through this 200, we should be able to get through 125 and then move higher. Okay, so I do like this stock as well. Next one is going to be CPHI. What did I do? Okay, CPHI. Okay, CPHI, the same pattern. We're also trying to get away from the 20. Okay, once we get through this 20, we should be all right. Okay, we're trying to break this trend right here. Okay, we're trying to break this trend. Our support is right here around 83 cents. 83 cents is going to be our support, and we should be good to go. Next one is going to be CDXC. It's a little bit high priced stock, but I like the fact that we're holding this trend over here. We just need to break through here, and we should be good, which is the $12 area. Okay, we need to break through this $12 area. Okay, and we should be good to push higher. Overall, I like the fact that we're not over sold yet. We're like around the 57. Okay, we're not overbought, we're not oversold, and we're still around 57%. So I like that. Next one is gonna be NVIV. The same thing with the other one as well. Okay, CPHI. Okay, let's see CPHI. All right. Okay, not that one. We have NVIV. I do like this. Okay, we just talked about that. The fact that we're holding this area, I like it, and volume is good, and MACD is calling, and RSI is a go. Okay, next is gonna be ATOS. Also the same area, the same pattern. We're just consolidating around this area. If we can get past this area, we should be good. Okay, we are actually breaking trend, or we broke the trend, which is right there. Okay, we broke the trend. We haven't tried to retest it yet, but I'll keep my eye on it. Look at the MACD is coiling up, even 53% on RSI. Okay, next is BPT. Let's see. Okay, this one is a no go for me. I do like the fact that we're 62% and we're coiling. Volume is average, okay, and we are holding trend. So if we break this trend, we should pull back to the downside, and 421 is going to be our support, and after 421 we should get to 372 on this one. But I don't like that one for a swing long term. If I'm going long on it, I would just need to figure out if we can hold this level. We should be good. Okay, next one is gonna be FIZZ zebra. All right, this one is still the same trend pattern. Okay, we need to hold this trend. If we cannot hold this trend, we should if we cannot hold this trend, we should come down to this $46 area, and then, you know, test this area, which is 45. 46, 45 is to the downside, and to the upside we have $55, our resistance. Okay, on FIZZ. Overall, I do like the name so far. OM. This one, I was looking at it because we are actually consolidating right here. We are consolidating in a channel. Okay, so we need to either break up or break down on this name. So and you want to, if you want to trade the channel, you want to get in right at the bottom of the channel with your defined stop loss. Of course, you know, you want to get in at the bottom of the channel, define your stop loss, and then see if we can try to retest the top of the trend again. That is the reason why I have it on this list, in case I want to trade the channel trade. Next one is going to be EVLO. This one, we are actually fighting the 20 and the 50 EMA right now. If we can get past this level, we should be all right. This is the level we need to break. If we can break this level, we should be good to test the highs. Otherwise, if we cannot hold this level, we should be able to come back down to $11. Okay, $11, and then $9. Okay, that's to the downside. Okay, next one is going to be STROM. Let's see. Okay, STROM is very low float kind of stock. MACD is coiling up, which I also like. We don't have volume yet, and the RSI is 56%. Overall, we have a trend, and we're breaking the trend. Okay, we have the trend right here. We're breaking this trend. That's why you have to keep an eye on this one. We are above the 200, which is good. Okay, next one, XLRX. The same thing. We're breaking trend on this name. Okay, we're breaking trend on this name. We just need to get above the 171, which is our 20 EMA, and we should be good to go higher. If we cannot hold this support, which we are trying to hold right now, which is the 50 EMA, and then we can come back and test the 140 area. 140 area is going to be to the downside, if downside support. Next one is going to be a very low float stock, which is USEG. In case there is any issue or comment about oil and gas and all that, this is another one that always spike higher. Okay, I like the fact that we are holding this trend right here. Okay, and we are breaking this trend, but overall our resistance is going to be around this area, 525, 522, 525 is going to be our resistance on this name. And I also like the fact that we're calling on the MACD, and we have 52%. Overall, I like it, and I'm gonna put this on my list for a swing. Okay, put this on my list for a swing. Okay, USEG. Next one on the list is going to be SSKN. Let's see what that is. Okay, right now we're breaking out, so MACD calling up 52%. I still do like it, but overall we need to cross this area, $2. $2 is gonna be your resistance. Okay, CNFFR. So this one, we have our immediate resistance around here, so we need to get through this area. Once we get through this area, we should be fine. I'm taking a screenshot of this because I also like this one, because if you see, we have our MACD right there, and we need to break this area. $4 our resistance, and then our RSI is good, is fantastic. You know, something like this can fetch you a Lamborghini money, you know. So CNFR. Okay, once we break the $4, we're good. Okay, and last but not the least, last but not the least is SONN. Okay, this one I don't like it because we are below the 200. Okay, we are below the 200. This is the 200. We are below that. This is the price. We're below that. We need to reclaim 200, and you know, I'll get in the trade, but I believe that this would try to come and retest the 200 overall. Okay, so I don't like it. So because I don't like that, let me put in one last one. Okay, last one is going to be OBLG. OBLG, this one I do like because guess what? We have a trend right here. We need to break this trend. Okay, we need to break this trend. If we can break this trend, we should be all right. Okay, overall resistance is going to be right here. Okay, if you cannot see that, we can use the trend support resistance stuff. Okay, 417, that's gonna be our resistance. So if we can break this, we should be able to push through. However, we are above the 200. Okay, MACD is calling up, RSI is okay, so I do like this too. Okay, I do like that. Let me take a screenshot of that, and we should be all right. Okay, so guys, that is the chatting, the weekend chatting for today, and I will do some more chatting on a high price stock, blue chip stocks and all that in the coming days. So keep an eye for the next video. These are just for small price stocks and the potential that they have to the upside or to the downside. Okay, thanks for being here with me, and also thanks for watching. I really do appreciate the fact that you guys are listening and also getting information from it. Don't hesitate to you know, to hit me up on Twitter, or to, you know, to email me, ask me questions, or comment on the video. Okay, and I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell, and turn on the notification for more content. Okay, have you a good weekend. Bye bye.